Hey everyone, it's Bart here again for Bodjabart. We'll get into this. We're still on this shaft. Hopefully we'll get something done. I'll have to cut some keys now. So what I'm going to do is when I slotted these other things, these here, they I'm missing one. It's in here. So when I did these and cut the end off, they closed up on me. So yeah, it's just the way it is. So what we have to do is we have to work out the key size in there. We've got to work out the key size. So what I'll do is I'll part a piece of this off and use this to go in there so I can measure what the key's going to be. So we'll just do that over here. So we have to part that off. And oh, the parting tool's in there. Well, that should be right. Alright, we'll just use that to cut this. And we should be right, we've got enough room there. Yep, I only need like just a little spacer. Okay. Right, glasses, that's what we need. Or goggles or something to look after my eyes. Here we go, that'll do. And we'll need something to grab that with. Oh, I can't find anything. I wonder if the roller will do. The roller might do. Right, we'll just wind this out, see what we got. What sort of beer we got on the inside of that? It's not too bad. Rightio, we'll take that off here. Take that off, I don't need that on. And we just take that burr out of there. I've got a little wee deburring tool here, which we can just go in here and scrape that off. This is actually made out of an old file. A few years ago. It works pretty good on the lathe. Oh, that should be that. Here we go, and there's young Shelby. She's having a snooze. She's in here keeping us company again, as usual. Oh, that's pretty good. Hey Shelby, you alright there? Yeah, she's having a good sleep. Alright. We've got our little bush. Okay, we've got this here. So what we have to determine is our key size, because I'm going to have to make them because it's an oddball thing, and I'm just going to use a bit of square mould steel. So we've got our shaft, which we have the keys cut in it. We need to slip that on there, and we need to put this lovely thing on there as well. Oh, there we go. Right. And what we have to do, it's not quite right. It hasn't come down enough. Need way down there. Yeah, there we go. Right. Right, so what we have is this here. We've got that there. We want to line that up with the other key, which is where? There it is. Right. So we can measure it. I need to poke that. Oh, no. There we go. Right. Okay, so we line up the two of them, and there they go. And that should give us our key measurement, and this stud's in the road. So I'll unscrew that because it's in my road. This one came with no studs in it, not like This one over here already had studs and bolts on it. This one came without any studs, so we've had to make some studs up for it, and we did that a while ago. So now we'll just measure what this hole is going to be here for the key, which I have to cut. It's gone too far back. I'm a bit close. There we go. Right. That's better. Right, let's see. There we go. Right. Make sure that's on 0 again. Get it, no? 0, there we go. Right. Sorry if I'm in the road, I'll just get this in here. And we're at 9.2. Just double check that. Go to 0. Yep, we're on 0. Right. Let's double check that. 9.2. Okay, so we need to make a key 6mm by 9.2. And I've already got something set up to do that. And we'll now turn that off and move. Young Shelby, she's sitting up there. What you thinking about, Shelby? Hey? There she is. Look, there she is. Hey, Shelby, say hello. Hey, good girl. Hey, good girl. Alright, we're over here. What we've done is, in here we have a bit of square. Hello, we seem to be losing a bit of oil from somewhere. Oh, that's right, it'll help with the bed. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but what I've done is I've got a bit of square metal right here, and I've got an older milling piece here which is 12mm. This is 12mm as well. So we're going to cut this down so it's going to be 9.2, hopefully, all the way to here as far as I can go, so we can get 2 keys out of it. And then I'll have to turn it over and cut it down to 6mm. So we'll see how we go. Let's hope. Yeah, all these bits take time, don't they? Makes the project take time as well. I'm sure everybody wants to see it finished, but let's hope. We'll go close to getting the back wheels on this video, I think. Once I've done these keys, I'll get straight into making some new front hubs. I've got this aluminium thing that a friend gave me, pulley off something that's no good, so I might be able to make them out of that. We'll give that a go. We give most things a go. That'll be a bit lighter too if it's aluminium. Those steel ones I tried to make, they were heavy. But I've got some steel things as well that I can make them out of if the alley ones don't work. But let's hope. Right, we're back. The battery's all charged up. It's another day, and while the battery was charging in the other day, I finished off the keys. So what we have here is we have that one that we slotted earlier, that sleeve that fits over the shaft there, and we've made that the keys that fit in there, and it fits in there all right. But I did fit one onto the shaft and it was pretty tight, so that's a good thing, I guess. We want it nice and tight, and yeah, so we won't put it all together for that reason. And what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the front hub, even though I've still got to make the carriers for the sprocket and the brake disc. So, but I've got these aluminium things here, which were, you know, you can see it was a rope went in there or something went in there. My friend gave me these. These are off a machine that they're no good. So I had a look at them and thought maybe I can try and turn them into the front hubs, and they'll go that way. So I've got to clean all this up. So what I've had to do is I've had to make this. This is what you call a mandrel. I had one already at this end, and so I thought, oh well, I'll make it here, and I'll fit it in there like that. Oh, I pinched my finger. I'm going to have a blood blister in there. In there like that, and I'll screw that up, which will tighten it all up, and I can turn it in the lathe and turn it all down to what we want, and we're off. So we work off the centre, off this tube. So we'll get on to that. We'll do that today. All part of this video. We've got to get cranking on this thing and get some work done on it, eh? Right, we've made the second one. As you can see, that thing couldn't have been as worn as the other one, but they're both pretty much identical. We're doing alright. So now what we have to do is turn that out for a bearing to fit in, and then turn the back side for a bearing to fit in, and see how it goes. Fantastic. Right. Now what we're going to do is see if we can bore these out for the bearings to fit, eh? I've got me. I'm hoping this will just fit in here without having to change the jaws. Oh, yeah, perfect. Right, there we go. too much. Damn it. Jesus. That's no good. You idiot. Damn it. I can fix it up. How did I do that? Rightio, what I'll do is I'll open that up, push a piece of metal in there and redo it. Yep, we can do it that way. Right, that's that one done. I'll do the next one and then that'll be it. So next time I come back I should have these finished and we'll be working on the other thing. Yep, that'll be it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.